there are a few times you may have tripped over a word, and you said sorry. And you said sorry because you were sorry that you made a mistake. I think, and I'm not sure how I feel about this, either ignore it or say, excuse me. Sorry makes it like, I'm so sorry. I don't know that you need to apologize so much because that was a very human error. Excuse me, to me, is a softer way. Say, oh, excuse me, I meant to say. I don't know how you feel about that.
In India, we used to say sorry, but in here, instead of sorry, we should say excuse me.
I think sorry makes it sound like you're so repentant about it. So it's very polite, but I think saying sorry makes you look weaker in American culture. So if you say sorry, and you said it maybe 3 times, and I understood why you said it, if you said excuse me, I don't think it would have been like, I really made a mistake, I'm so sorry. That's what that felt like. Whereas excuse me is like, oh, I misspoke, let me fix what I said. Or nothing.
Pardon me.
Pardon me, right. Excuse me or pardon me is less downtrodden, like I made such a big mistake, because it wasn't a big mistake.